Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when phenol reacts with diazomethane. Product choices are A. Orthocresol, B. Metacresol, C. Paracresol, D. Anisole. Answer is D. Anisole. The mechanism of this reaction we will see in the next slide. This is the phenol and it is the diazomethane. At first CH2- attacks this hydrogen and this bond breaks down. So in the next stage products are phenoxide ion plus CH3N plus triple bond N. In this stage O- attacks this carbon and this N2 moves out. Therefore in the next stage the product is anisole. Thank you for watching this video.